Hello, this is Ashley with the Rheal Legacy Lounge, and I hope that you're having a great day. I just wanted to come to you really quick. Have you noticed that gas prices are creeping up? Groceries are still disrespectful. This is because there is global conflict in the Middle East that has pushed prices up. There's blocks. It's taking longer to get from point A to point B, creating uncertainty because you don't know when you're going to get surprised. It is causing prices to go up. Higher gas, higher airline tickets, higher groceries, higher delivery costs. With this happening, businesses will pass that to the customers. You may feel it the most in food, utilities, and commuting. If you are doing Uber or Lyft, those prices are going to go up because gas prices. Has anybody noticed that their electricity bill went up recently? Over this last year, utilities have gone up so much in the state that I'm from, Delaware, that now people are trying to bring legal actions against these organizations because why are you charging me $400 to deliver and you ain't coming nowhere? I can come pick it up myself and save the $400. These are things that people are starting to notice more that are happening when it comes to their money. If you have a credit card, you have probably noticed that your interest rate is higher. So that means that your debt is becoming more and more expensive. It's like you're paying your minimum payment, but you still feel trapped. You still feel like, how am I surviving? How will I survive? Because people are leaning on these credit cards. People are going to have to start doing things differently. You're going to need to start tightening your budget. You can't be scared. You have to be strategic. Start tracking every dollar that you have. Number 2, you want to build an emergency savings fund. We don't know what's going to happen today. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. You want to start to build that emergency fund. It could be $50. It could be $100. Just start. All right. Number 3, you want to start using those skills that you have to earn more income. Start thinking about a side hustle. Do you have any certificates or certifications that you can use that'll help you with earning more money? Can you do like how I'm doing right now and create content for other people? Maybe you can freelance work from the skills that you have. Those are things that you can start to do now to make sure that you have the things that you need in life. You get what I mean? Like, you don't want to just keep going on this cycle because you're not going to have any money. This season that we're in right now, it is starting to separate emotional spenders from wealth builders. Panic never builds wealth. Information and discipline does. You want to start getting more information, more knowledge when it comes to earning more income, using your skills that you have now to get the things that you want. Let me give you 5 action steps that you should start doing right now. The first thing, I want you to start to check your subscriptions. Things like streaming services, gym memberships. You want to start to look at those things to see how much is coming out of pocket so that you can either get rid of them, downgrade the service, or figure out how you can get the same service but at a cheaper rate. You want to build a 30-day emergency plan. I'm not telling you to go out and save $1 million or $1,000. No, start small. Start at $100 and then just grow and increase as you go. Learn one new money skill, pay down one debt. And then I think the biggest one for us is to stop scrolling and start planning, because if we don't make a plan, then we're just going to continue to be in this endless cycle, in this rat race. So start making a plan. Stop scrolling so much and start to really implement and see how you can make a difference in not just your life, but the lives of your loved ones. What I'm going to keep doing is I'm going to keep coming with these videos. And the next one that I'm going to come to you about is I'm going to break down who wins financially when this economy gets shaky. Where we're at right now is shakier than a motherfreaker. So we're going to talk about that and how you can be one of those people who plan for success and who have wealth even when the economy is shaky. If you want to talk more about money, no fluff, no fear, none of that fake guru stuff, because I'm not fake, subscribe now, because we're going to talk about some wealth here. And I'm going to keep giving you more tips, more tricks, and more tools on how to be financially stable and financially prepared for whatever this life or whatever this next stage and chapter in life brings you. So subscribe right now, like, share. And if you want even more information, we have a community, and you can find us at Rheal Legacy Lounge on school. I'll put the link in the bio below, okay? I hope that you have a great day. I hope that you know that everything that you want out of life, you are worth it. You just have to work for it, all right? I'll talk to you in the next one. Have a good day. Peace.